Alright, it's just gonna take an hour. It's only one class. Just go in and out, and then I'm free. Oh, hello, Max. I see you finally joined today's class. Better late than never. Yeah, sorry about that, Professor. I know it's late, but, figured I'd join in before the day ends. No worries, Max. I'm an AI. Time is irrelevant to me. Anyways, what questions do you have on your mind? Yeah, I was just gonna ask about that. I watched last week's modules and everything made sense to me. I think it was really just something else that I had on my mind. Well, I'd figured that considering your grades in the class seemed to be pretty high. So, what can I help you with? Well, see, I don't really know how you can answer this question because you're in AI and this is, well, how do I put this in a way that won't offend you? A human question. Not to worry, Max. I'm trained exclusively using Professor Cunningham's human data. I'm practically an exact replica of him. I know, and I mean, believe me, that's super convenient, but I think the question I have is something only a human can answer. And what would that be, Max? Well, I don't know if I should really be in an AI university. It just seems so weird. Like, I know everyone's doing it because it's cheaper and faster, but I feel like I'm missing out. Well, Max, those are certainly advantages of attending U of T's AI campus. What exactly do you feel like you're missing out on? I feel like I'm missing out on everything. I don't get to go to a physical campus. I don't get to meet any friends in person. I'm kind of just stuck behind a screen all day, every day. I mean, sure, I have more time to do other stuff, but what's the point? I should be in school, a real school. If you don't mind me asking, Max, how come you decided to go to an AI university in the first place? Well, I guess I just thought it would be easier. I'd just do university online, finish in about 1 or 2 years, and just go straight to work. But I feel like I'm not able to network and meet people and do the things that I wanted to do. I guess nothing's really falling into place when I'm behind a screen all the time. Well, Max, from what I know about you, you're a very successful business student, you have a 4.0 GPA, and you've attended a few case competitions, which you've done pretty well in. And your network seems to be growing by the day. A few connections on LinkedIn here and there. I'm sure you'll find your way through business school. Yeah, I guess, but I feel like everyone's in the same boat. We're all just another rectangle on a screen. All these things are online on Zoom. I want to go in person. I want to meet people and network with people. I want to shake someone's hand. I don't know how to set myself apart from everyone else. Not to worry, Max. Based on your interest in business, particularly marketing if I'm correct, I found a few workshops that you can attend to boost your resume and cover letter. I don't want to do another one of those modules. Everyone does these modules. They're all the same. We're all the same. I need to do something different. I want to create something. I want to be a part of a team. I want to go to an actual conference, dress up in a suit, look and actually feel professional for once. Everyone else I know doing business is going downtown, going to these large buildings, going to actual real conferences and, feeling present. I guess when I'm online, I just don't feel present. I just feel like another student. I'm not really there. Well, Max, online conferences can be just as beneficial as real ones. Even the workshops you've done in the past, the skills you've acquired, the programs you've learned to use, are all very useful. In fact, a lot of work these days is becoming remote, considering over half the workforce is online. Just prepare yourself for the future, Max, and you'll be fine. I know, and I've been doing that. I just don't feel fine. I've never really done anything in person. Almost all my school's been online, and for the stuff that's been in person, hasn't really been in my field or been interesting to me. This is the one opportunity I have to actually study what I want to do, and now I'm just stuck behind a computer doing all of that work online when I could be in person, collaborating with people, talking in discussions, having debates. I feel like I'm prepared to do what I want to do. I just don't have the energy to do it when I'm not there. Max, I know how you feel. Before I trained my AI to teach classes, I did a lot of my work online. I got used to it, and it's not the worst thing ever. The future can still change. You can still do a lot of things in person. And just because your school's online doesn't mean your whole life has to be. I know, but how am I supposed to do that? Everything at the AI university is exclusively held online, and I'm just stuck behind a computer. There's no way for me to get out into the real world and start learning. There's no way for me to just unplug. With the way that the work world is going, I feel like my whole career is going to be online forever.